गुड आफ्टरनून ऑल। आ गई हूँ मैं अपने ब्यूटीफुल ऑफिस में। लेट्स सी अ वेरी क्रिएटिव क्वेश्चन regarding a very current situation which is going in our country. These kind of question can come in your design entrance exam, probably in NID or other entrance exam. Let's see it on the whiteboard together. A new law has been passed to remove all street dogs in your city. Using symbols, objects, metaphors, create an illustration that reflects your opinion about this change. No opinion is right or wrong. Okay. So suppose you have got this kind of a question in your exam where the question is asking you to illustrate your opinion using symbols, objects, and metaphors. So one of the examples of what you can do in this question is, let's suppose you make an empty bowl and show clean streets, which shows that the streets are now clean, but the bowls are empty because all the dogs are gone from the city. Another way of doing this question is you can probably make a signage kind of a thing in which you divide the signage into half and half, where half of the signage is showing probably no dogs symbol and half of the signage is showing a dog playing with a person or the paw of the dog, which is showing that dogs were existing on these streets. Another way is you can show like beautiful clean roads, clean cities with trees around, people walking, but shadows of dogs because there are no dogs on the street now. So when it comes to the word illustration, you don't have to actually sketch the whole scene of whatever your opinion is. You have to use symbols and metaphors in order to give your opinion. Now, some of the symbols or objects which you can use in this question are paw. You can use a balance scale on which you can either show a disbalance, or even if you have a neutral opinion, you are not pro towards something or you're not for or against, you can always show a neutrality in your opinion. That is also okay. Then you can use heart shape, you can use broken chains, you can use footprints, empty bowl, closed gate, unfinished puzzle, two different roads in which you can show one road with dogs or one road without dogs, newspaper headlines, park benches, fences, barrier, etc. And the word metaphor in this means you're trying to compare some object with the feeling of it. Like, for example, the city is a cage. So in the city, there are not actual bars or like a jail or something, but you're feeling like the city is a cage, right? For example, we say Chand sa chehra. So the chehra is not actually like a moon, but you're comparing it with the beauty of the moon. That is what you mean by metaphor. Showing an empty bowl reflects that there is an absence of something which you are trying to show in this question. Okay. So these kind of illustrative questions can also come in your design entrance exam. You don't necessarily have to depend on the old mock test. You have to open up your mind to different kinds of design and creative questions which might come in your exam. So all the best, live life to the fullest, and I will come up with another creative question next week on the same channel. So please do like, follow and subscribe for getting more ideas for your next design entrance exam.